Okay, it's early morning and I've just woken up to see that GoPro has released the first exclusive look at some of the footage from its GP3 cameras. Now, we don't know which camera this is, but we're going to take a little bit of a look at the footage. Now, this is just going to be a quick video. We don't have a lot to go on, but I think in the similar way to the way in which the stills were released the other week, I think we might get another little bit of announcement from GoPro in the coming days, possibly. Now, there are a few things to say about this footage. One of the main things that will jump out at you is the shallow depth of field. It's a very, very shallow depth of field. This is not something that you'll get from, for instance, a macro attachment like we've had on the Hero 14 Black. This is something else. Now, we don't know whether this is just down to really good processing in the camera. For example, is it something similar to the iPhone's cinema mode that gives a kind of digital depth of field effect, or is it because it has a genuinely large sensor on it? We won't know this until GoPro releases more information. Either way, it's significant that this effect is showing on this footage, and it's clear that GoPro has done this on purpose. They want to fuel speculation and rumors, obviously, get people talking about it, which they're succeeding in doing. So yeah, that's interesting in itself. The other thing is the lighting. It's sunset, it's beautiful lighting, but the quality of the color looks really good. So I think it's probably fair to assume that this footage has come from what is being referred to as the cinema grade camera, the higher tier camera that GoPro intends to release. And it could well be that I might have to take back everything I said about it possibly being a camera in a similar vein to Sony's RX0 system. So yeah, this is getting very interesting. But as I say, this is a very quick update video just to show you the footage that GoPro has released. And yeah, we're going to be talking about this a lot in the coming days, but I'm going to leave it there for now. As always, if you like my videos, please do like and subscribe. And I do have a Substack that I've started, and I'm going to be posting the videos there as well, but I'm also going to be writing about subjects that don't necessarily fit in too well on this YouTube channel. YouTube likes to pigeonhole you, so some of the topics that I would like to cover are things that wouldn't be really rewarded that well on YouTube for the moment anyway. So if you want to see a wider variety of subjects on video and production, then head over to my Substack. It's not very well populated at the moment. I am building it up, but a link is in the description below. And I'll see you all in the next video.